what is the surface area of this figure? Well, in order to calculate the surface area, we have to add up the areas of all of the faces. Let's first start with the front and the back. So for the front and back, we can see that there are 2 of these areas, and their areas are equal to 4 4/10 times 5 7/10. And when we multiply these values together, we will get 50 16/100 square meters. And again, that was the combined area of the top and the bottom. Now let's look at, that was the combined area of the front and the back. Now let's look at the top and the bottom. So the top and bottom has dimensions of 2 8/10 meters and 4 4/10 meters. So we're going to multiply those 2 values together. 2 8/10 times 4 4/10, and there are 2 of these faces. So if we multiply these together, we get 24 64/100 square meters. Okay, now we have to do the left face and the right face over here. Both of these areas will be the same because they are 2 equivalent rectangles. So this will be the left and the right. We have 2 of these faces, and the area of each of these faces is 2 8/10 meters by 5 7/10 meters. And if we multiply these values together, we get 31 92/100 square meters. So then the total surface area of this figure is the sum of these 3 values. So that will be 50 16/100 plus 24 64/100 plus 31 92/100. So we're going to get 12 in the hundredths column. So we have 2 hundredths and we have 10 hundredths, which is equivalent to 1 extra tenth. So we have 9 and 1 is 10 and another is 11 and 6 more is 17. So we have 7/10 and 1 whole number that we can place into the ones column to add up all of our ones. So we have 1 plus 4 is 5 and 1 more is 6. And then 5 and 2 is 7 and 3 more is 10. So we have 106 72/100 square meters as the solution to this problem, or answer choice A.